Okay, how's everybody doing? How are you guys? Today I will talk about US dollar shorts and about maybe cryptocurrencies long. I will take a look on Ethereum. I will take a look on Forex major pairs to look for a potential USD short. Okay, but and before I will take a look on those markets. I will also take a look on gold, silver, US oil, yeah, on US equities. Okay, and if you are a VIP member, I'm still holding my positions, my long in silver, which is in profit. I'm still holding my position in British pound, Japanese yen. Okay, so risk, it's important to understand that trading is risky. Past performance is not a reliable indicator of future performance. Thank you guys. I know that I'm presenting this every time and or before all my videos, but it's important, guys, to understand the risks. Okay, and also it's important to understand that Learn to Trade will never contact you directly, will never ask for payment on Telegram groups or via email or something. Okay, you can join the VIP groups only after purchasing a subscription. Yeah, thank you guys. So nothing really important today on the economic calendar. Nothing really important. The US banks will be closed in observance on Thanksgiving Day. So let's take a look on the financial markets. Okay, DXY, and if I will have a high probability trade, I will place it here live. Okay, so as I've said, I'm holding my position in silver. My position is it's safe, is in profit. It's safe because I've moved my stop loss at break even, and also I've said that I'm still holding also my British pound, Japanese yen. So my position in silver, 175 pips profit, and British pound, Japanese yen is yeah, it's valid, it's good despite temporary rebounds, as I've said. Yeah, okay. Cecilia, hello. Always a pleasure. Join your class. Yeah, don't forget to to like the video, Cecilia. Okay, thank you. Where are you from? Italy. Okay, so dollar index. Yeah, it has taken out 106.36. It has opened with a gap down here. It has found support here on 105.78. Okay, we have a support zone, demand area here, and rebound. But if it makes a new lower low here, okay, if it drops, closes, and stabilizes below 107.65, okay, it could extend its sell-off. It could approach and reach 105 psychological level, 104.90 Argentina. Okay, yeah. And also, guys, who do you think that will win the World Cup? Of course, if you are interested in football, love from India. Because, yeah, Cecilia, unfortunately, Argentina lost its first game at the World Cup. But, yeah, let's see. Okay, so dollar index. As I've said, yeah, a new lower low. Germany, I don't know. Because if Germany will lose his game with Spain, I believe, then bye-bye. Okay, so a new lower low here. Okay, a new lower low here could signal a potential deeper drop. So let's take a look. Let's yeah, not the best start for you, Cecilia. So okay, let's go back to the financial markets. Euro USD. Yeah, right now it has retested 1.0396. It stands above the uptrend line again after its failure here. Yeah, maybe I will keep an eye on these levels, on this and this maybe I will delete this one from here, and I will have a potential range maybe here. Okay, a potential range, minor range here. Omar, hi, is euro strong because USD weak, or euro strong? Then I like euro and I gave you like, okay, no, euro USD, guys, okay, euro USD rallied only because the dollar index dropped it, only because right now, can you show us how to use Pitchfork? So, Stefan, if you want to know how to draw Pitchfork or how to use it, please visit our YouTube channel, okay? And the person I've uploaded several trading tutorials. You will we have a playlist in our YouTube channel, trading tutorials, and please watch those tutorials. And if you have maybe more questions, maybe I don't know, I will go live maybe only to explain Pitchfork one day. Okay, yeah, thank you. Yeah, you have everything there. Short trading tutorials for you guys. Okay, so Euro USD, it has rallied here only because the DXY crashed, right? Please take a look here, and only because the US dollar depreciated a little, retreated a little, only because yeah, as you already know, the US reported lower inflation in October, and also the Federal Reserve is expected to deliver only 50 basis points rate hike in December. Okay, so that's why guys. Okay, so yeah, I will keep an eye. Right now I don't have a setup to trade here on Euro USD. Okay, Euro USD. Okay. British pound, US dollar. Yeah, it has rallied. It has ignored all these resistance levels here. Orlando's position in British pound, US dollar. I believe that this that trade was for the swing trading group. Yeah, it's more than 1.67 in profit, 1.67% in profit, something like this. Okay, yeah. No, I don't have something here right now. Actually, maybe a sell-off here could and the British pound is depreciation in the short term maybe could help our actually my trade in British pound Japanese yen, because maybe the British pound will lose ground also versus the Japanese yen. Okay. US dollar versus the Japanese yen. I don't like this this pin bar here. Okay, this false breakdown with great separation, but right now after its failure to stabilize above 140.79, maybe we'll have a valid breakdown and a deeper drop here, but right now I'm already long on the Japanese yen. So I'm looking on, yeah, US dollar, maybe Singapore dollar. I was looking at something earlier today, the potential setup here, but right now it's premature to talk about this setup here. But I will keep an eye on this formation potential channel, yeah, because please take a look here, resistance levels. And yeah, after escaping from this pattern flag here, it has developed a minor flag here, and after this massive drop, strong sell-off, it could retest all these resistance levels before turning to the downside, okay, before dropping deeper. Okay, you can see this major flag, this major channel, and in the short term it has developed a new flag. Okay, and maybe this will be my next trade, new trade here. Okay, but we also have the weekly pivot point here, 1.3730 as support. But yeah, maybe this will be my next trade into the VIP group. But yeah, right now I'm still waiting, guys, for confirmation, maybe also here, because yeah, it could still retest these levels, or it could stay only below 1.3756. Okay, it could drop, it could rebound. Okay, I need a value breakdown, maybe I need a new lower low, yeah, or a false breakdown with great separation here, something like a candle, yeah, something like this, with a huge spike here, shadow, with a small body, a false breakout with great separation. Maybe could bring us short opportunities sooner. Okay, US dollar, Singapore dollar. Yeah, maybe this will be my next trade, my new trade, guys. If you have questions as well, that's why I'm here. And I've told you about my trades. I'm still holding my silver, which is in profit. I'm still holding British pound, Japanese yen. Despite temporary rebounds, it could retest the resistance levels before dropping deeper. So yeah, I'm still holding. But if you have questions, also about the World Cup, if you want. I'm kidding. Okay, so yeah, US dollar, Canadian dollar. I will take a look on all markets very fast here. Okay, but maybe what do you think about gold? Yeah, thank you, Ali. I will take a look on gold after I will finish with the US dollar in 2-3 minutes. Okay, so also here USD CAD. Maybe I will delete my drawings. USD CAD. USD CAD. Crave, views on crypto. Yeah, I will take a look on crypto as well, but you have to please be patient. I cannot watch all markets at the same time. Okay, so we had here something, retest, new lower low. Maybe also here USD CAD for a potential USD short. Okay. For a potential USD short, but yeah, I don't know, only because we have this the channel's downside line here. Sorry, but I will keep an eye also on this market. Sorry, and don't forget, guys, to like this video. It will be helpful for me to the YouTube algorithm, and personally I will share a new trade with you guys if you like this video. Okay, my positions are good. I will and don't forget, guys, that every time I will make a move, when I will share a trade, or when I will manage my positions, I will update the groups. Okay, sorry, shit. I will update the VIP group, and also if I will share a trade in the free group, I will update the free group as well. Okay, so yeah, I will keep an eye on US dollar, Singapore dollar, and US dollar versus the Canadian dollar for US dollar short, US dollar Swiss franc. Now, right now, no. Let's take a look here. Yeah, minor retreat, and right now it tries to resume its growth also here in Australian dollar, US dollar. But maybe I want to be a buyer only from above the R1. Okay, but right now I don't have a setup. Yeah, yesterday I've talked about it, and yeah, I've talked about it and I've missed the opportunity to go long. Here after this retest, maybe we had an opportunity after this retest, and maybe from above this level it has tested retested 0.6236, and it has resumed its growth. So yesterday I've talked about this this scenario after this breakout. I've said that I want to see something like this test retest and the price to confirm its breakout, but unfortunately I've missed the opportunity because I was out. Yeah, I cannot watch I cannot stay with I cannot watch charts 24/7 or something. I cannot catch every move or something, but yeah, I've missed an opportunity here, but I've talked about it, and that's why it's important, guys, to join my webinars, to understand the thought process, to understand the price action, the scenarios, okay, and also my videos, because I'm talking about the trading scenarios, setups every day in my videos and webinars, okay. So yeah, I've missed this, but it's fine, okay, it's fine, because as I've said also yesterday, there are a lot of opportunities in the market. Yeah, I don't care, okay, it was an opportunity, but I will look for something else. Maybe I will catch something in US dollar versus the Singapore dollar, US dollar versus the Canadian dollar. Yeah, so it's fine, but yeah, because we had breakout, retest, okay, bullish momentum here, retest here, and right now it could extend its growth, but I don't want to buy it here at market, okay, right now, only because it challenges this this former high. Okay. Okay, let's take a look on metals. Yeah, so I have something, as I've said, on potential setups and trades on Canadian US dollar versus the Canadian dollar, US dollar versus the Singapore dollar, and about gold. Yeah, I said yesterday that very breakout, a new higher high could signal potential growth, and yeah, right now it has reached these levels as maybe as resistance. It has jumped above these former lows. Okay, it has jumped above these former lows, and despite maybe temporary retreat or something, to retest these the broken levels here. Okay, stabilization above these levels, or even if it comes back to retest maybe this former high, in the short term the bias is bullish. Okay, but like GBP, Japanese yen ready to drop. What? So personally I'm still holding. Okay, I'm still holding. I've shared the thought process, and yeah, British pound, Japanese yen, tested, retested. Let's take a look also. So I will take a look on British pound, Japanese yen, okay, and also maybe on silver. So in my opinion, gold is still bullish if it stabilizes here above these levels, broken levels, above this zone and area here. Okay, test, retest, it could still resume its growth, but after its strong rally, it could try to move sideways, because maybe the price of gold needs more bullish energy, okay, to resume its growth, needs more buyers, yeah, before jumping higher. Hi, would you be able to recommend time frame for recommend? No, personally, as you already know, we are sharing actually here in the VIP group. We are sharing short-term trades, maybe, I don't know, 1 hour, 4 hour, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, yeah, 15 minutes, I don't know, 45 minutes, okay. And personally, I'm not making recommendations here, please understand this. Yeah, I'm not a financial advisor, so no, I'm not recommending. Yeah, so it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter, okay? Because you can take a look about the time frame. Okay, you can take a look on my videos on the thought process, and yeah, if I will talk about the market on 1 hour, yeah, maybe that's the time frame, or yeah. For example, you recommended the sell. No, I didn't recommended anything. Personally, I've shared my trade. Okay, I'm not recommending anything here. Okay, these are not signals, are my trades. Okay, um, if you want to follow the trade, it's fine. If you don't want to follow the trade, it's fine as well. Okay, so GBP trade may be the trade for intraday or intra week. Um, So this, that British pound Japanese yen, it was not an intraday trade, okay? Because personally, I'm hunting maybe a potential larger drop if the yen basket continues to grow. So maybe this the British pound Japanese yen, it's something like a swing trade, maybe. Yeah, maybe I will keep it for several days. Okay. Cecilia, I have to sell on gold. Do you think is going to go down today or continue up? So you have to sell longs. What is this? Google Eyes. I thought we specifically processed it for signals. So personally, I'm not a financial advisor. I've told you Google Eyes. Okay, I'm sharing my trades. Okay, I will not tell you what to do. Okay, if you want to follow those trades, it's fine. If you don't want to follow the trade, it's fine as well. Okay, I'm not recommending anything. Okay, I'm sharing only my trades, my analysis, my ideas, my scenarios, my setups. Okay. Okay. And if you have questions, more questions, please send an email to support. So about gold, Cecilia, I don't know, but I've told you, as long as it stays above these levels, above this former high, despite a retreat to retest it, it could still resume its growth. Okay, this is my opinion about gold, Cecilia. Yeah. Okay. So please understand, I'm not recommending anything. Yeah. It's up to you. It's your trading account. I don't know your risk. Your risk that you are take on a trade. Okay, I don't know your levels. I don't know your account. I don't know nothing. That's why personally I'm showing what I'm doing, my analysis, my ideas, my setups, my trades. I'm sharing my trades, my thought process, trade management. Okay, yeah. So about gold. Yeah, this is my opinion about gold. Silver. Let's take a look. And as I've said also earlier today in that post, yeah, I've updated the VIP group, and I've said that as long as it stays above the medium line here, above 21.470, okay, confluence area also here, maybe this will represent only sideways movement here, consolidation, accumulation. Okay, sorry, I've moved my setup here. I will hide it for now. So yeah, because we have something like a confluence area here, and this could represent only a range or something here, a range which could act as a bullish pattern, bullish continuation pattern here. Okay, if it stays above these levels, test, retest, false breakdowns, boom. Okay, and that's why I'm still holding. What? You are skipping the question. Google Eyes, personally, I've answered to your question. Please, if you have questions, send an email to support. Okay, I'm not here as a support agent to talk every day about services, about I don't know. Okay, so Cecilia, thank you. Okay, so I'm not keeping you here, Google Eyes. Okay, if you don't like what I'm doing or what Orlando is doing, our work, yeah. Or if you don't want to follow the trades or to follow the management, or if you don't want to join the webinars or to watch the videos, yeah. So this is my opinion about silver. Sideways movement here, and as long as it stays above this level, above the medium line, the bias is still bullish, guys, because after this amazing rally here, strong rally, strong growth, this was natural, maybe. Let's take a look. And right now, as you can see here on 1 hour, also stochastic, or maybe let's take a look also relative straight index. Now here, no, but stochastic, I will keep an eye also maybe on stochastic, or because right now maybe silver will be again oversold here around these levels, and it could try to develop a new bullish momentum. Okay, because right now, let's take a look here. Yeah, and maybe here we have something like hidden divergence. Okay, a hidden divergence. Okay, we have these lows here, and right now is still here. We have these lows, and here we have support. Okay. Silver mostly closed with break even yesterday. I said that. Yeah, great. Okay, great. Okay, let's continue. So about US oil, because I've talked about US oil. US oil, but yeah, I've talked about this market. I've talked about this market. And see, if you don't want to be here, yeah, as well. Okay, so US oil, but I've talked about it in my daily video. Please watch the daily video in our YouTube channel or in the groups. Okay, demand zone, demand area, yeah. Demand zone, demand area, but I said that I want to see something here: false breakdowns, test, retest, or a valid breakdown. Okay, before I will maybe take action. US 100, US 500, and US 30. Let's take a look. Yeah, still there. I don't want to do anything on US equities right now. Okay, I don't want to do anything. Yeah, it remains to see. As I've said yesterday, guys, about US 500, because someone asked me about Orlando's trade in the swing group. Okay, and I've said that you'll have to wait for Orlando's update, and US 500, guys. Okay, US 500, I've said that it remains to have to react around this former high. It has reached this level, key level. It has retreated a little. It remains to see, because in my opinion, and probably if it will make a new lower low here to stay below 4041 and to drop below 4031, then maybe it could open the door for a potential sell-off. But this scenario could take shape only if the US dollar will appreciate, only if the dollar index will rebound, in my opinion. And taking out this resistance, a new higher high value breakout here could signal potential further growth. are live videos available after they over? Crave. Yeah, this is a webinar, okay, and you will find it in our YouTube channel, okay. Live webinars. We have a playlist there, Crave, so you can watch it as many times as you want, okay. What's your view on traders who monitor trading volume of gold when deciding to trade? Personally, I'm not using volume here for forex or CFDs. I'm not using volume, okay. Maybe I'm using only this a fixed range volume profile, okay. I'm using only this tool, okay. And where is Orlando? I mailed support as well, no response. Really worried because it's very close to hit stop loss. So Sultan Vape, it doesn't matter if it reaches stop loss as long as because Orlando decided to keep the trade, okay. Orlando will be back maybe tomorrow, okay, and he will come back with his updates, but he decided to keep his trades, okay. He decided to keep his trades, and yeah, it's up to you guys. I've told you, yeah, also yesterday, that it's up to you if you want to manage your trades or if you want to follow the management, okay, Orlando's management or my management, okay. But yeah, as long as these are Orlando's trades, I cannot manage his trades, okay. He has his strategy, his thought process, rational management, okay. Google Eyes. So Google Eyes, why did you deleted that message, okay? Because personally, I've told you every time that yeah, if you want to take 10 trades per day, it's your call, okay? It does matter for us, not for you guys. No, okay? You don't. Why don't you understand that why don't you understand that when you take a trade, and when you place a trade, okay, Vape, when you take a trade, you know right from the beginning that the price could hit your stop loss, okay. It's fine, okay, it's fine. You need to understand it. It's fine, because, and that's why we are using 1% or less than 1% risk, okay. If your risk is higher, it's your problem, okay, or it's your call if you want to follow the trades, okay. I've told you all the time, but personally I don't understand why you are doing this, because when trading is about probabilities, okay. You will not have a 100% strategy, and you will not win all your trades. That's why it's important to understand that right from the beginning, before placing a trade, that the price could hit your stop loss, okay. The price could hit your stop loss. And also I've shown you yesterday my Facebook that we are up around 12%, which is good, only because we are using a lower risk, below 1%, okay. So it's good, okay. So we are not losing money here, okay. Trading is not also only only about winning trades. You cannot win all the trades, but you need to understand that right from the beginning, when you place a trade, you know that you can lose on that trade. The price could hit your stop loss, okay. And in this case, Orlando let his trade ride, okay. Orlando decided to let this trade ride, okay. So yeah, this is the thing here. But yeah, okay. And also Google Eyes, if you want to take 10 trades per day, it's your call, right? It's your call. If we'll have 5-6 setups, high probability setups, we'll share the trades, okay. We'll share the trades, and maybe there will be days when we'll send, I don't know, 1-2 trades, or maybe if we don't have anything really good, we'll not send the trade, we'll not send anything, okay. You need to understand this, because it's better to place 2-3 trades per day compared to 10 trades, 10 losing trades, okay. 2, 3, 4, 5 high probability setups, high probability trades, okay. Thank you. Okay, so this is my opinion about US 500, okay. US 500. That's why, please guys, can show you proper signals from a guy who I trust on YouTube out of everyone else. So please please Google Eyes, don't share personal details here, because I will kick you out. I will ban you. Okay, I will yeah, 3-5 signals or trades per day, and you are getting how many trades? Okay, right now Orlando, it was out with some personal problems, but yeah, when Orlando will come back, how many trades did you get every day? More than 3. Yeah, 3-5 trades per day. Yeah. Okay, so let's take a look on Ethereum, because I've talked about Ethereum. So please guys, I'm not working as a support agent. If you have this kind of questions, please send an email to support. Okay, support. Learn to trade. Okay, so about Ethereum, guys, I will delete my drawings. So it's your call. If you want to place 10 trades per day, it's your call. Personally, I will share only high probability setups. Okay, about Ethereum, guys, about Ethereum. No, because personally, I'm trying to answer to questions. But yeah, I will also have to take a look on markets. That's why I'm here, not to I'm not a support agent. This is not a support chat, guys. Please understand it. If you have questions, if you are not satisfied about something, please send an email to support. Okay, it's not my company. Okay, but this short is hitting a resistance at 138.08. What's your view, please? I will take a look on that market. Yeah. Please don't waste time on comments like that. Yeah, but I have to answer to this guy, because yeah. Gold, any thoughts? I've talked about gold, guys. I've talked about gold. Yeah, maybe from now on, what I'm saying is watch all the videos and people that have been here for saying negative, not many words. Person for the trades and information he gives extremely helpful and accurate, rather few accurate than lots of weak. Yeah, okay, thank you guys. So maybe from now on I will maybe stop answering to this kind of questions or questions. I'm not here as your personal analyst, or I'm not here as a support agent. Personally, I will come here every day, maybe, or twice per week, to talk about markets, and probably I will I don't know, maybe I will stop answering questions, because yeah, it takes a lot of time to answer to these questions, and I will yeah, I will concentrate here on my analysis, trades, yeah, on the financial market. So Ethereum, yeah, it has taken out this this dynamic resistance breakout, and in my opinion, after failing to make a new lower low, after failing to hit 1071, and maybe here testing retesting the pivot point here, and the broken downtrend line, and making a new higher high, could signal potential further growth. And of course, if the price of Bitcoin will develop a larger rebound. Okay, so let's take a look on Bitcoin as well. Let's take a look on Bitcoin and Google Eyes. Again, please read that risk disclaimer. Okay, please read the disclaimer and please understand it. Okay, about trading, that trading is risky, past performance is not a reliable indicator of future performance, and please understand the risk disclaimer. Okay, that disclaimer and the risks. Okay, Okay, Bitcoin. Yeah, also Bitcoin. If the price of Bitcoin will resume its growth, then the altcoins could jump higher as well. So because you can see here, I've talked about Bitcoin the previous days, and about this the channel's downside line. Okay, sideways movement here. Okay, 15,632 as support. Sideways movement, breakout, retest here, and right now it tries to come back higher. Okay, and if this scenario will take shape, if we'll have a larger rebound here in the short term, then maybe Ethereum will develop a larger rebound as well. Okay, this is my opinion about Ethereum, and probably, but yeah, in the short term, maybe I would like the price of Ethereum to retest here, to retest these levels, and before it will. Actually, I would like the price to retest here, to register only false breakdowns, and then to make a new higher high, and then probably I will send a trade in the swing trading group. Yeah, the swing trading group. Yeah, maybe I will have something here also. This represented also a flag pattern, a down channel, maybe something like this. Please take a look. False breakdown, test, retest, false breakdown, strong rally, and that's why I would like to see here something like a sideways movement, strong accumulation, consolidation before making a new higher high and extending its growth. Okay. 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 And about someone asking me about gold again. So I've talked about gold, guys. Yesterday we had this. Yesterday we had the false breakdown, great separation, which it was confirmed, further growth, and right now it tries to stabilize above this this resistance. Okay. Please ban Google Eyes, sir. No, I will not ban him. Yeah, it's a part of our community here, right? Yeah. Hold on, another one that doesn't understand. I've been in here defending the host past week and more. I read for you. I've been defending the host. Yeah. Okay, great, perfect. Okay, so about gold, as I've said, as long as it stays, in my opinion, after this strong rally, yeah, maybe a sideways movement like in silver or a retreat or something, it could be natural. Okay, and if it stays above these levels, these former lows here as resistance levels, the price jumped and closed above these resistance levels, it could still try to resume its growth. Okay, and also I've said that as long as it stays, this is my invalidation level here in gold. Okay, the former high, okay, 1749, this is my invalidation level. If it stays above it despite temporary retreats, it could still resume its growth. If it drops below it, it could come back down. Okay, so this is my scenario, this is my opinion about gold. Okay, DAX, I will take a look on DAX 40 or DAX 30. Let's take a look. DAX 40. I will delete this pitchfork. I will delete this pitchfork. DAX 40. Personally, I'm not trading this market often, DAX 40 or DAX 30. That's why I will have to build something here. Okay. So in my opinion, as long as it stays here above maybe this uptrend line, yeah, but it has failed here to let's use also an indicator here, actually for bearish divergence. Let's take a look here. Bearish divergence, RSI with the price action. Yeah, maybe it has signaled the Germany Ford. Yeah, in the short term, and also because we are here right below these highs, and also after this strong rally upside movement. Let's take a look. Yeah, potential pattern, maybe something like this. In the short term, it remains to see if it registers only a false breakout above the rising wedges upside line here, and but maybe only a new lower low here. If it drops and closes and stabilizes below 14,322, it could open the door for a potential drop. If it stays above all these levels, former highs, yeah, to test retest. If it stays, let's say, above 14,460, then it could try to resume its growth. Okay, maybe. But right now, as I've said, it has signaled exhausted buyers after failing to stay above the channel's upside line, after failing to after the RSI signaled the bearish divergence here. Please take a look. Yeah, we had this line here, and so higher high here, or higher highs here, and here lower high. Yeah. Okay, guys. DAX 40, this is my opinion about DAX 40. If it stays above these former highs here, above that level, above this high, yeah, it could only retest the levels before extending its growth. Okay, if it stays here to move sideways, it could still resume its growth. Okay, DAX 30 as well. Same here. Yeah. Potential bearish divergence, but yeah, as you already know, I'm not trading only based on divergence, bullish divergence, bearish divergence. I'll wait. I need something else. I need confirmation maybe. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you as well. Thank you as well. Thank you as well. Yen basket, guys. Okay, Yen basket rallied, and right now it has found resistance. Personally, I'm still keeping that trade because in the short term, after this strong rally, it could come back down, maybe to retest 76.13. It could retreat a little before extending its growth. So that's why personally I'm still holding. Yeah, British pound, Japanese yen. It could retest the immediate broken levels, broken resistance levels, upside obstacles before resuming its growth. The bias is bullish here on the Japanese yen basket. That's why the Japanese yen could resume its appreciation. Okay, despite temporary retreats here, or rebounds on the British pound, Japanese yen. Okay, that's why, because I talked about this scenario also yesterday during my live session and webinar after its breakout here. Okay, boom, yeah, that's why I'm still holding. Yeah, so I've talked about US dollar versus the Singapore dollar and US dollar, Canadian dollar. Yeah, and probably should I be waiting for the signals here in the live session, or is it sent in the group I paid for? So personally, and also Orlando, we are opening and placing trades here during the live session as well, but we'll share our trades and setups, the levels, our trades. We'll send our trades, we'll share our trades in the VIB group. Okay, so it's up to you. Okay, but it's important also to understand the thought process behind the trade, the price action as well, because maybe if you are trading oil, the price could be different from a broker to another brokerage company. So it's important to understand the thought process. That's why it's important to understand the rationale. Yeah, so it's important to join the webinars, to watch the videos as well. Okay, but our trades, you will find our trades in the VIP groups, and also thought process management. Okay, so US dollar versus the Singapore dollar. US dollar, Singapore dollar. So I've talked about this minor flag here. Minor flag, and I will have to decide between US dollar, Singapore dollar, and US dollar versus the Canadian dollar. Yeah. Because if the dollar index continues to drop, or if the if the dollar index drops deeper, then yeah, I really want to catch a potential US dollar short. US dollar short. Euro USD now. Yeah, I've talked about New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Unfortunately, I've missed an opportunity here, but I've talked about it, and it continues to grow as expected. Okay. Yeah, maybe I will still keep an eye on US dollar, Singapore dollar, and US dollar versus the Canadian dollar, and I will select between these two markets, because I will not double down the risk maybe on a potential US dollar short. I will place a trade only on one market. Okay, yeah, only on US dollar, Singapore dollar, or only on US dollar versus the Canadian dollar. These are my my potential setups right now. Gold, yeah, is still there. And also about gold, I didn't want it, because I've talked about a potential new long here from above this level, but right now I'm long in silver. I didn't want it to double the risk on metals right now, on commodities. So yeah, that's the reason why I'm not long in gold. But yeah, I talked about it. Silver, yeah, in profit, is still good. Also, if it fails to hit the medium line, it could signal that the sellers are exhausted here. Could signal that yeah, we have a strong upside pressure. And as I've said earlier today, Yeah, maybe we'll have a potential hidden divergence here, and this range, this pattern here could signal a potential upside continuation. This range, this sideways movement could represent an upside continuation pattern. Okay, test, retest, false breakdowns here, a new higher high, boom. Okay, so that's why I'm still holding. That's why I didn't wanted to take profit here after this this rally, because my entry guys was here. Okay, was here around these levels. My entry was here around these levels. So, and my take profit is around this this former high. So that's why I didn't want I don't want actually to take a small profit here. I'll wait. My position is safe. I've moved my stop loss at break even. I'm letting it ride. Because this is not good long term, guys. If my entry was here, okay, if my entry was here, and right now the price is here, it's not good long term, if only because my take profit is here. So I will let it ride, only because this is not good long term, okay, to manage your trade. If the price moves in your direction, is in profit, yeah, then you will take profit because you are afraid that it will turn against you. No, it's fine. I've managed my position. It's fine. If it turns against me, it will reach my stop loss at break even. It's fine. But if it continues to grow, please take a look here. It will approach and reach maybe my take profit. Okay, so that's why maybe also because someone asked me about US dollar Japanese yen. Okay, US dollar Japanese yen. I've had a long position and I've closed it with a really small profit here yesterday before this sell-off. Yeah, it was a good decision because I noticed that the price maybe will fail to extend its growth after something like this. Yeah, after failing to take out R1, after failing to stay above the downtrend line here. And someone asked me why, because maybe my entry was here, I was in profit maybe 100 pips, okay, but my take profit maybe was here or here. And if you will manage your position to take a really small profit every time, then long term it's not okay. Okay, it's not okay, because if you will take a profit like, I don't know, 0.2%, 0.3, 0.1, and if you will have if you will use a 1% risk, yeah, you will lose more than you will you'll win. Okay, so that's why it's important to also to let your trades ride. That's why I'm using a 1% risk or less than 1% risk. It's fine. I know right from the beginning. I have a setup, I have a strategy. If it plays out, it's fine. If it reaches my stop loss, it's fine. I will move on and I will search for something else, for a new trade. Okay, so this is my opinion. Thank you, guys. And so I've talked about, someone asked me about US dollar Japanese yen, I believe. My short, my US dollar Japanese yen short is hitting a resistance at 138.08. On what time frame? So you are short, okay? 138.08. Are you talking about resistance? Because I don't see a resist. I don't see 138.08. 138.08 is here. And are you talking about support or resistance? Yeah. Because if you are keeping an eye on this level here, this key level, on this downside obstacle, 138.05, this is a support, this is a downside obstacle. Okay, yeah. Okay, so thank you, guys. Personally, I will come back with my US dollar short, and I will come back with my management on my current trades. Thank you guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.